Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will learn 30 singular and plural words. So let's start. Book, books. Mango, mangoes. Child, children. Mouse, mice. Sheep, sheep. No change. Chocolate, chocolates. Ox, oxen. Knife, knives. Baby, babies. Friend, friends. Key, keys. Bag, bags. Cat, cats. Glass, glasses. Fruit, fruits. Woman, women. Tree, trees. Bird, birds. Farmer, farmers. Rat, rats. City, cities. Window, windows. Train, trains. Luggage, luggage. No change. Pencil, pencils. Snake, snakes. Rabbit, rabbits. Bus, buses. Paper, papers. Tooth, teeth.